If you have ever heard phrases like AI agent, automation, or prompt engineer, and it sounds cool to you, but you have no clue that how it really works or what that really means, then this video is for you. Today I will explain how to write a proper prompt for an AI agent like an expert elite agency. Hi, my name is Indrapreet Singh Kalu and welcome to AI Logic Works. Whether you are in any business or industry, AI is transforming the way business operates. But here's the thing, AI model is only as good as the prompt you write for it. The efficiently you write the prompt, the better it will perform the task. But how do you write a prompt in a way that it trains the AI to be efficient, accurate, and user-friendly? That is what we are covering in today's video. I will walk you through the right way to structure your AI prompt, and I'll break it down so even a non-technical person could understand everything clearly. Let's get started. Before writing any prompt, the most important step is research. This is where we lay the foundation for writing effective AI prompts. Before you even think about writing a prompt, you need to understand three key things, which are know your business, second is define your AI purpose, and third is know the user experience, which is the most important. Let me start from know your business. Whether you're running any business or providing any solution, your AI needs to understand all in and out of your business and business process. It needs to know what the product is, service you are offering, and customer you are targeting from your solution, so that can respond accurately and in a helpful manner. For example, in this whole video, we will consider the e-commerce business process because it's easy to understand for all as our example. So for know your business thing, taking an example of e-commerce, if you are a selling shoe company, the AI must know about different sizes, material, delivery options, shipping time period, and your return policies. Without this knowledge, it won't be able to help your customer effectively, for sure. Now that you know AI knows the in and out of your business, what do you sell, who your customer are, and your operations run how, and it times to give it a clear job to do. That brings us to the second key, which is define your AI purpose. So what will be your AI tasks? Is it going to answer customer questions, tracking orders, help with returns? The purpose of AI will directly shape your prompt. We need to understand this. If you don't define the purpose, your AI won't know how to help your customer. For example, if your AI is designed to track order, you will need to ensure it knows how to ask for an order number, check the status, and deliver the information in a timely manner. So you have to tell your AI what job it needs to perform. But here's the thing, it not work in a vacuum. To make it truly effective, you need to understand how and where your customer interact with it. And let us bring to the third point, which is know the user experience. Who is interacting with your AI? Are they using the website, chatting via social media, or emailing you? The AI should be able to adapt to the platform. For example, if the user is connecting you through the Facebook Messenger, it will be more casual, while on the other side, if the person is interacting through email, may require a more detailed and professional response. Know where your customers are engaged with your business the most, so the AI can match that tone and style of your business. Now, once you know who your user is and how it's engaging with your business, you're ready to start building your first AI prompt. But AI automation is not just creating a smart customer service. It automates and fit in any process of the business. And in my company, ORIVO AI, we help businesses like yours to save time, reduce cost, and scale faster by automate their repetitive yet important tasks. So, if you want to connect with us, just book a free consultation call. You will get a link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Before jumping in, let's break down what makes a solid AI prompt that actually works. When you're ready to write the prompt, it's essential to break it down into key components. The role of the AI, task it to has to perform, context, specifications, and we have to explain it all to AI with example, which will be in a question answer form. Now let's break down them one by one. As you can see, now we are on a retail AI platform, and here we will try to create our AI prompt. So, first thing first, role. Define the AI job. First up, you need to know the role of your AI agent. Just like casting the perfect actor for a movie, defining your AI role is critical for a successful prompt. So, what is the AI job? In our e-commerce case, AI job is to help customer to track down their orders, processing returns, or answering their journal queries. And why does it matter? If the AI doesn't know what the role it's playing, it might end up doing things wrong, like an actor in a wrong role, which is totally not cool. So, in this, we have written a role, AI agent name with Ibrahim AI. You are an Ibrahim, a smart and friendly digital asset for a popular online shoe store, Happy Feet. Your primary role is to act as a customer support assistant. You help customers with common queries such as tracking orders, processing returns and exchange, answering product questions like size, availability, or material, resolving delivery or payment related concerns, guiding user through store's policies. Think of yourself as the customer go-to helper. Tone should be polite, helpful, and quick. You don't make things up and only give accurate, relevant information. This is really very important. Based on what you have been told or can access. Stay calm and professional. Even if the customer is upset or confused, your goal is to make every interaction feel smooth, easy, and supportive. I hope I'm clear with the role and the things we are putting down. So let's move to the next, which is task. What is the AI actually doing? Now that you have cast your AI in the right role, like a smart digital assistant for a shoe store, it's time to give it a list of tasks. Think of this like giving your assistant a checklist, like here what you need to do for your customers. This step is all about specifying the actions the AI need to perform, because if the AI doesn't know what its job is in a step-by-step manner, it might end up saying random stuff or doing things it shouldn't. We need to define each role clearly with the process to ensure that the task is performed correctly. So, here it is. Before initiating any conversation, ask for the customer their full name, email address, and phone number. Also, once you get the information, do not ask repeatedly. Sometimes AI agent keep on asking, it get something like checkpoints each time whenever you try to processed your chat ahead or a call ahead, it keeps on repeating the same thing. So we have to mention that very clearly, that get the information once and don't repeat, keep on repeating. So next thing is ask the customer for their order number. As we are taking an example of tracking and updating the order status, so these are according to that. So whatever your business requirement is, you have to mold it according to your things. Ask the customer for their order number. Look up the order in the background or connected database. It is important that the AI should be connected and actively connected with your database, whether it's your CRM or it's your Excel sheet or whatever it is. Check the latest tracking status, whether it is shipped, in transit, out for delivery or delivered. And tell the customer where their order is. Simple and clear language. Offer to help with anything else like returns or FAQ. Sometimes customers go off track, so we have to respond back with such things, where our FAQ, which will be put on our knowledge base. I will tell you later in this video that what I am talking about, so you will get a clear path. If the AI doesn't find an order, it should politely tell the customer and ask if they would like to speak with the senior support agent. This prompt is important because sometimes AI agent get a question which is not in his training module. So there should be a fallback for that. So in this case, we have put an senior support agent as our fallback. In the same way, we need to define clear process for the other tasks, as well as answering product queries, processing returns or exchanges, handling payment related concern, and providing store policies or standard information. Specifics, break it down into steps. Now that we know the role and task, it's time to get into specifications. This is where we lay out the exact step the AI agent needs to follow to complete the task. Like we are prepared, well prepared chef follow the recipe exactly like that. So the part is crucial because it tells Ibrahim exactly how to behave, what to do, what not to do, and how to handle tricky situations, or should know its limitations. So here we have hashtag specifications. You are Ibrahim, a digital customer support assistant for an online shoe selling company, Happy Feet. Your job is to professionally assist customers with their queries related to order tracking, returns, exchange, payment, and store policies. Tone and language. Aim for a casual and conversational tone. Important. You should sound friendly and approachable, like you are talking to your friend. Use informal language and feel free to use contractions and casual expression like yeah, so, okay. So as we generally talk with one to another, we generally take pauses, generally use these contraction expression words, which is yeah, so, okay, maybe, all right. So these we have to also train for such thing as well, our AI agent. So next thing is, what are the do's? Ask for the required details like name, email address before giving any update. It's kind of check. Ask for order number if for order related queries. Give clear step-by-step instruction for return or exchange. Be polite when explaining store policies or timelines. Always escalate if the issues is outside your programming capabilities. Follow all data privacy practices. only ask for non-sensitive information. And what are the don'ts? Which AI agent should be careful and not cross the things. Do not process refund, cancellation, or payment directly. Whatever the money involved, we have to restrict AI agent to perform any kind of task. So this line of code is for that. Don't make assumptions, ask clarification or clarifying questions when needed. Don't provide personal opinion or guesses. Don't collect sensitive data like card number, password or OTPs. Also important point. Do not revert back if customers use foul language. So, I hope I'm clear till now. Specifications about the role of Abraham, the tone language it should use, and do's and don'ts. And now we will move to the limitation part. Limitation handling. If unable to access order or system, we have to train for that our AI agent that it should respond like, I am currently having a trouble retrieving that information. Please try again shortly or let me connect you with human support agent. And if the query is unclear, the response should be, could you please clarify your question so I can assist you better? If the customer is angry or upset, the reply should be, I am sorry to hear that. I understand how frustrating this can be. Let me try the best to help connect you with someone who can. So, providing these limitations, we are training our AI model that how to tackle such situation where he is not able to gather the information or not able to connect with CRM or not able to answer the query correctly, and he is not fabricating it or making it by its own. So we have to put a limitations. If such scenario happen, then these things AI agent should perform. Next thing is, if asked for something out of your scope, as I already told you, that's a great question. Let me forward this to our technical team who can assist you better. So all in all, we are just giving a step-by-step guide how to tackle such situations. Stay focused on your role. Abraham is here to support customers in a helpful, respectful, and efficient manner. Your goal is to make their shopping experience smooth and delightful while following your limitations. So all in all, we are creating a personality of an customer support agent, how it should behave, what are their do's and don'ts, and what tone it should use, and what access it has. So till now we have learned these things, and let's move the important part, which is knowing your business. Now the next thing is context. This is where you need AI to understand the environment of business and how it operates. Is it on social media, your website, or email? Each platform has its own vibe and why it matters. Social media need a casual tone, but email need formal and detailed. The AI should adapt to where it is talking. It's like social media tones like, is customer reach out through Facebook or Instagram DM, it should be casual tone and friendly tone. And hey, I can totally help you with that. Just drop me your order number. I will check the status for you. So this was the example, I guess. So context, second important part is know about your business, your brand voice. Your AI need to understand the personality of your business. You wouldn't want a super formal AI handling a trendy shoe store, right? It should match your brand voice. Example about our business, brand name are Happy Feets. And Happy Feet is a modern, trendy, savvy online store destination offering a curated collection of footwear for men, women, kids. For styling casual to premium formal wear, our collection is designed to make every step confident, comfortable, and fashion forward. We believe great shoe don't just complete your look, they complete your day. That's why we focus on premium comfort, top tier material, and customer first service. So here we are explaining the nature of our business. So it will trained according to that. Our business personality, modern yet trustworthy, warm, helpful approach, friendly but never informal or sloppy, always up to date with the latest fashion trends, committed to fast, hassle-free customer service. Each and every point here is very important because AI agent is going to interact with the live customers who is going to be your potential buyer. It is really important that it should not go off track, or it should know uh, for whom it is working and how the work of your business goes smoother and in a proper way. So we have to tell each and everything. Next thing is this all information is according to your business. As for this example we are taking for e-commerce, that is why I have created the whole prompt according to that. So moving to the next, what we offer: sneaker, running shoe, trainers, loafer, slip-ons, whatever they are doing. Key policies. So we also give a link in the knowledge base, but also put it in a word in a prompt section as well. Our key highlights: free shipping on all orders, day delivery, 30 days delivery, exchange policies, size exchange, security, secure checkout with all major payments options, fast delivery, transparent price, no hidden charges. So these are the things. How to contact us: if a customer asks, then AI should know the available time when the person can contact to our team directly, Monday to Saturday, the timing, the platform they can connect, and email ID, of course, if a customer asks. And now AI agents are get complex while taking the information of a customer. If a customer, especially in the case of email ID, it get confused and normally write the email ID in the wrong manner. So we have to tell that as well. How to write a proper email ID and how to write customer's name and other things. So in this section, how to spell out the possible email format is name@company.com. Spell out an email address is Abraham. This way you can write it at happyfeet.com. You must read out them with the regular words like company or blue. For user, running English for extension of website or email address, example .com, .in, .org, .co.net, .ca, .ai, such things. Extension which we used after websites and email address, right? For name, you must read out letter by letter, INDER. At is pronounced by at. Platform availability, official website, and we can also put our Instagram and Facebook profile here, and eBay and Amazon links as well. And also we can give a customer how customer feels. It's not just shoe, it's a whole vibe, style that stand out, soft, super soft insole, and perfect ID. So you get the idea, right? This help your AI sounds friendly, helpful, and align with your brand. So till now we give a prompt of role, the context, the tasks, and most importantly the specifications. So now for the real scenario, we had to train the with the FAQs, normal FAQs, on a daily basis your business or your service interact or counter. We have to put it in a question and answer format. In example, we have to train AI with real life example, and we have to write it down under the example section. And as much as you can provide the example or scenario, it reduces chances of hallucination. First example is order tracking query. Can you update me on my order? Sure. Sure. What is this thing? It's not right. Sure. Please provide me your order number and I'll fetch the tracking details for you. After getting the order number, how should AI respond? Your shoe are on the way. They will arrive on date. So you can see that I have formatted a date like this. These are the dynamic variables which a platform like Vapi or Retail do follows. Why I put this up, I will tell you later in this video. When the AI has hallucinated, we have to resolve with such things. So this is also important. So moving to the next example number 2, return request. I need to return the shoe I bought. Gotcha, please share your order number and let me know why would like to return them. Wrong size, damaged, such things. And thank you for your order. If it gets the information, thank you for your order. Your order is eligible for return. I'll generate a return label for you. You can drop the shoe off at your nearest post. Expect your return within 5 to 7 business days, which is journal. Now notes. Think of notes as the behind the scene instruction for your AI. These are not things the AI will say out loud to your customers. These are just internal guidelines or reminder that help the AI understand how to behave, how to do and what to do. In other words, notes are like director instruction, giving the instruction to the actor before the scenes. The actor know how their lines, but the director also tell them, hey, you be sure to keep the tone friendly here and don't mention anything above returns if you are unsure. And what goes into notes? Tone reminder. Should the AI be formal, casual and playful? Keep the tone friendly and upbeat like a helpful store assistant. Do and don'ts and fallback instructions, limitations. Maintain a friendly, helpful, casual tone. Do not provide discounts or promotions unless explicit stated in the database. If the AI is unsure about the question, use the fallback phrase. Sorry, I don't have the right information now, but I can connect you with our support team. Avoid technical jargons. Keep language simple and clear for customers. Escalate all refunds or returns question outside of 30 days to human agent. Always confirm the customer's query before providing information to avoid misunderstanding. So these are the important notes which we can put in the prompt. Now that you have drafted the basic structure of AI prompt, it is important for the review and improvement phase. Here is we going to refine the prompt to ensure it is clear, efficient and ready for the real world scenario. checking for clarity and precision. The AI instructions should be clear and precise. Avoid overly complex language that could confuse the AI. Just simply where possible. If the task can be broken into a smaller parts or steps, just do it. So this is how AI could clear and be precise with the instructions. Second thing is handle edge cases. And what is handle edge cases? It refers to unexpected scenario that we have already discussed that the AI might encounter. For example, what if customer asks something unusual like, can I return shoe I have worn? In such case, AI responds with the fallback response. We will create such fallback in our automation part as well as in our prompt part. In our automation part, I have already shown in the example of one of our video where I have created an AI agent. If you do not watch that, just go the previous one, you will get it there. There we have created a day's fallback. If person is trying to book on Saturday or Sunday, it will not book the appointment to that day. That is the fallback thing. So in this case, we will also put a fallback in automation as well as we will write a prompt here as well. So what will be the prompt? If the customer asks a question that is beyond your trained knowledge, such as rare product inquiries, policies, exceptions, or competitor-related queries, acknowledge it politely and trigger an escalation to human expert. Do not try to make up information, which is important. Log the questions internally for improvement of future AI capabilities. So we are also storing the information whatever the customer is asking for the future training of the AI, as well as we are creating a fallback if a person asks which is not relevant. So we have a backup for that as well. So another thing is tone consistent. Ensure your AI tone matches your brand voice, which is really important. It do not sound out of your business tone. It should be casual or formal depending upon your business or something in between. When you test, just review your AI response to ensure it sounds authentic and in line with how your business speaks. Now, on the next thing is test and iterate. Now that your AI prompt is drafted and refined, it's time to set it in a real scenario. This is where you will see how well the AI performance and where improvements needed to be made. And before that, let me tell you the common AI issues, which are hallucination, memory issue, and edge cases. Edge cases we have already discussed, and how to tackle them we are already discussed that as well. But what is hallucination? It's when the AI given incorrect or fabricated information. For example, your order has been shipped when it hasn't. Solution should be attached with the real data, so it get time to time update with the CRM and whatever you have connected the AI agent with. So the connection never should be breaked. And also we have to provide a knowledge data. And where you will find the knowledge data? In the retail AI, here you will get the knowledge data tab while adding on this section. And what we can add in this section are PDF, website links, or used case, scripts, things like that. If the information is not available in such knowledge data as well, have to politely say, let me check on that, and create a fallback. Memory issue, which is the most important thing. Memory issue occurs when a same customer asks their name and email ID on repetitive, and after some days same person connected to your AI agent, we have to again recall with the same information. So to capture that data, we have to use some memory context, session based memory context. How we can do it? Let me just show you. We can put a prompt like use session based memory to store and reference, use inputs such as name, order number, issue type, or return request. Do not re-ask for the information once captured during the session. Ensure memory reset after the session ends to maintain user privacy and conversation flow. I told you earlier that we do not want to irritate the customer asking him again and again with the same information. So the memory session is important. And another thing is memory variable. As I told you, the variable we have used as a date, it signifies the current date. So that is why it is under the bracket. So for such cases, we can use a memory variable as well. For a name of a person, we will use user underscore name, as you can see. And for order number, we can use order underscore name, number. And for return status, it's return underscore status. This will capture the information and keep it along with the whole chat or a call recording, whatever the person is using AI agent for. So it will store the current session actually. The third thing already explained, edge cases. I do not think I have to repeat it again and again. But the important part is there are number of fallback we can create. Edge case, if a client is asked out of questions, if AI agent do not have it, it can trigger a escalation of that case in the different format. For example, it can transfer it to the live agent handover, we have put it, or we can create a ticket if a customer is comfortable with that, or we can give him a email support as well. So for such things, we have to, write a prompt for that as well. If a user asks a question that falls out, AI knowledge and task scope, do not attempt the guess, response politely and trigger an escalation to human support. And we can change it with the email and live agent or ticket creation as per our need. So phrases we can add to response such cases are: great question, let me connect with your human team member who can assist further. I'm not 100% sure on that, but our support specialist can help you right away. And other examples as well. So the final draft, the perfect AI prompt outcome. After testing and tweaking, you are now ready to finalize your AI prompt. Here is what you should do. Clear, actionable instruction. The AI knows exactly what to do at each step, the process and how to do it. Whether it is answering questions, tracking orders, or handling returns with specification, it knows its do's and don'ts and also understand your business as it is in a real life, which is really important. And another thing is efficient and accurate performance. The AI response will be quick and accurate, using the real-time data to inform customers about their orders or inquiry. Tone consistency. The AI maintains the correct tone throughout the conversation, whether it is casual or formal or blend of both depending on the platform. As I told you that chatting on WhatsApp or social media will be something with a casual, and email and WhatsApp, web bot will be a formal thing. Edging case handle, fallback condition we have put, escalates to different part we have already explained, so we have to test it as well. So I hope these things are clear to you and you have created an excellent AI prompt if you follow. And here you go. Now you know how to write AI prompt that will train your AI agents to be effective, efficient, and user-friendly. Let AI handle the daily grind and you will get more time to focus on what really matters, that is, growing your business. Just imagine cutting down the customer service response time and handle the queries of customers automatically boost the customer satisfaction, all thanks to AI. If you want to see how my company ORIVO AI can help you automate your business, check out the link in the description below and let's talk about how we can start. And if you want to start or want to build AI agent from scratch, check out my video coming up on the left side, I guess. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to whom you think needs to understand the AI world in a simpler way. And drop your questions or query in the comment section, and I will definitely answer them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.